So this is our fourth strategy for today. As you can see, we've already won that trade right there. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you. We are trading the Volatility 51x index, and we are trading the touch no touch. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. As stated earlier, we're going to be dropping over 7 strategies today across all the 3 channels. So we are back on the D Trader. So once you log in to your Deriv account, you go to the top left corner, you click on D Trader. So then you go to the trade type, you go to synthetic indices, you go to Volatility 51x. So then you go to the trade type here, you go to touch no touch, you click on it. So once you do that, you set this to ticks not minutes. It has to be 5 ticks, so leave this right there as it is. Then you set your barrier or set to plus 130.08. so we're going to be clicking on the no touch. Once this thing is dropping down, you can see it's dropping down. When it's going up, don't click on it. So once you see that it's dropping down, you click on the no touch. So let's watch and let's place one more trade. You can see it's not moving, it's just the moment is sluggish there. So once it's dropping down, we're going to be clicking on the no touch. See it's up, so you have to wait for it to drop down. It's going up, so don't place a trade, don't place any trade, just watch. Okay, it's going down there, so let's wait for the outcome of our trade there. So you can see we've won that trade right there. We won that trade. So make sure you watch the movement very well before you place the trade. For those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, this is a boat there. The boat has been updated today. The version 6.5 has been updated today, 1st of August 2022. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctyknowledges.com.ng to order the boat. The PIPSREAPER boat as well. Is the PIPSREAPER boat. To the PIPSREAPER boat, visit binary PIPSREAPER.ctyknowledges.com.ng. Is just $7.99 USD. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. As stated earlier, I will be dropping over 7 strategies today across our channels. This is a link again. This is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boat, and this is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. Check the video description on YouTube. These are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. You subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping across all the channels today. This is a link to join our forum to read written tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.